in the gentle shade of her father's guidance, she blossomed as the obedient daughter, her every choice woven into the fabric of his hopes and aspirations. Now, a devoted mother, tending to her children with unwavering care and nurturing their dreams with gentle encouragement. Yet, beneath her nurturing exterior, there simmered a longing, a yearning to carve out her own identity. With each dawn, she rose to the comforting routine of breakfast preparation, school drops, homeworks, immersing herself in the role of a mother with boundless love. But as the sun dipped below the horizon, she found herself confronting the echo of her own aspirations, her own dreams whispering softly in the silence of the night. She feared becoming lost in the mosaic of motherhood, her own desire fading into the background like a forgotten melody. She yearned to be seen not just as a mother, but as a woman with dreams and ambitions of her own, longing for recognition amidst the bursting crowd. One crisp autumn morning, as the leaves painted the town in hues of gold and crimson, she made a decision. With determination igniting a spark within her, she embarked on a journey of self-discovery, a discovery that she wishes to share with you. Along with new recipes, I wish to share with you all the struggles that go beyond it. I wish to take you along on the different hats we women wear every single day. This evening, I made her a set of flashcards and taught her how to use them. We then left to meet a special friend of mine and had a wonderful evening enjoying my most favorite food in the whole of Christchurch.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference.
The next morning began my sourdough journey. I made some sourdough pancakes for breakfast. I believe this has to be the first recipe you should try if you're starting the sourdough journey just like me. They turned out to be just perfect. To make this, we would mix in the starter, whole wheat flour, sugar and salt into milk and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While that is resting, I'm off to make the house livable again.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Right before making the pancakes, just add about a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. If need be, you can also add a little milk here to make the batter pourable. Since the pan was not hot enough, my first batch didn't come out well, but after that, it went smooth and everything was just perfect. With a limited supply of groceries here, I did a simple jugaad for the topping. Melted a piece of chocolate in the microwave and applied that on the pancakes before serving. This, according to my kids, was just perfect. Wow.
உருவாய் மரமாய் இல்ல பல் திருகமாய் பாம்பாய் பறவையாய் பாம்பியும் போன் கயல்கள் வெல்க சிரம் குவிவார் ஓங்கு வைக்கும் சீரோன் காயல் வெல்க ஈசனடி போற்றி எந்தையடி போற்றி தேசனடி போற்றி சிவன் செவ்வடி போற்றி.
Okay, so for lunch we had Subway, as this evening we were off to attend a small Tamil book club celebration here. The main agenda being to encourage the next generation to love our mother tongue as we do. It was a fun-filled evening. I got to meet my old buddies, chit-chat, but not for long. My brother, a chef here, takes up catering orders, so he was in charge of the food for this event. Honestly, I didn't do much. Just a bit of work here and there, just to show that yes, I'm also a part of it.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
An evening with friends, good food, music. What else do you need on a Saturday evening? Let me take you to another of my favorite spot here in Christchurch. Farmers Market. This one is the Riccarton Sunday Market. I just love this place. Used to visit it so often when I lived here. Honestly, I miss having such markets back in India. The vibe here is just so comforting, so warming. Oh, I love it. You will find just about everything here, from homegrown veggies to thrift shopping. In fact, many of the props that I use in my baking videos are right from here. You also get to taste homemade cookies and bread. Wow, cool, right?
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you.
This day, my niece got a lot of accessories for her Crocs. That is when I got to know that this is the latest fashion trend at the moment and made me realize I am definitely getting old. watching the kids play, soaking the sun with some warm waffles. मेरा तो दिन बन गया भाई. Upon reaching home, I observed that some bananas that we got from the market were so ripe that I had to use it up ASAP. Yes, you guessed it right. Let's make a banana bread, but not a regular one. Let's make sourdough banana bread without eggs and also without all-purpose flour, that is maida. First things first, preheat your oven and line your cake pan. For dry ingredients, I am using whole wheat flour, a little baking soda and salt. For wet ingredients, water, sourdough starter, oil. Give a quick mix, add the mashed banana and sugar. Mix well.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you.
Sieve the dry ingredients into the wet and fold.
Makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a
Midway through mixing, I decided that we definitely need some walnuts for crunch. So there I go, at the very last moment, crushing a handful of it into the batter.
Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I felt that the batter was way too thick, so added up a tablespoon of milk to adjust the consistency and then baked them.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul.
It was just so
strong.
perfect. I never imagined a whole wheat sourdough banana bread would be so freaking good. The only thing missing was vanilla. Let me blame that to my limited grocery supplies here. Without vanilla, I couldn't get a pleasant smell and a distinctive flavor, so definitely add it. With this, let me wave you goodbye for now and see you in some other of my sourdough journey. Until then, this is Sushma and you were watching vlog 1 of my sourdough diary.